Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Step by Step Gate Preparation Simplified by Architect Shalu Mittal. Friends, in my last video, I have talked about famous architects and their work in previous year question based upon that. If you have not gone through the video yet, I have shared the link in description box. In today's video, we will discuss about famous architects and their work, famous books and essays and their authors, and also the previous year question based upon these two topics. Now starting with the today's topic, that is famous architects and their ideologies. Architect name Antonio Gaudi. Ideology: there are no straight line or sharp corners in nature. Means generally natural forms tend to be organic and rounded rather than rigid and angular. Franco Gehry: architecture should speak of its time and place but yearn for the timelessness. Next one is Winston Churchill: we shape the building, thereafter they shape us. Next one is Louis Sullivan. Question is ideology is form follows function. All right. Next one is E.F. Schumacher: small is beautiful, economics theory, which signifies that small and appropriate tech can empower people better. Next one is C.A. Doxiadis, planner of Islamabad, proposed ecstatics as a science of settlement. Next is F.L. Wright: philosophy of organic architecture promotes harmony, better human habitation and natural world. Example: Fallingwater, USA. Next one is Le Corbusier: house is a machine for living. Mies van der Rohe: less is more, design ideology of modernism which promotes simple and plain designs. Skin and bone architecture concept is also given by Mies van der Rohe. Robert Venturi: less is more, postmodern idea that plain modern buildings are not interesting. According to Robert Venturi, plain modern buildings are not interesting and his ideology is less is more. Next, coming to the author and their books. Louis Sullivan, book written by him, The Autobiography of an Idea. Frederick Krippert, Town Design and the Story of New Town, Harlow. Charles Correa, Form Follows Climate. Then Ayn Rand, Fountainhead. Paul D. Springer, Pre-Design, Urban Design, Architecture of Town and Cities. Next is Ken Yang, Eco Skyscrapers. Kevin Lynch, Image of the City, Site Planning, What Time is this place. Edwis Faludi, Planning Theory. You can take the screenshot of this. Questions are directly asked from this topic. Next is Leo Jacquesson and Ved Prakash, Urbanization and National Development. Next one is Amos Rappaport, on the cultural origin of settlement. Next author is Edmund Becken. He has written Design of Cities, Man and the Modern City. Robert Venturi, Complexity and Contradiction in Architecture. Philip Jordio, Architecture Now. D.K. Ching, From Space and Order. Christopher Charles Benninger, Letters to a Young Architect. Bill Hillier, The Social Logic of Space. Siegfried Gideon, Space, Time and Architecture. Christopher Alexander, Notes on Synthesis of Form, Timeless Way of Building a Pattern Language. Alright, you can take the screenshot. Some more books and their author. Le Corbusier, The City of Tomorrow and Its Planning, Adolf Loos, Ornament and Crime. Now the previous year question based on these two topics. Name the architect who criticized ornament in useful object in his essay Ornament and Crime. Answer is Adolf Loos. This question was asked in GATE 2019. Next one is Laissez Bohr is propagated by. Answer is Robert Venturi. Okay. And it was asked in GATE 2000. The concept architecture as expression of inner structure is attributed to. Answer is Le Corbusier. GATE 1996. And the question that was asked in GATE 1997 was, architecture was defined as utilitas, femmitas, venustas by. Answer is Virtuous. Virtuous was the Roman architect and he was also author of book De Architectura, 10 books on architecture. He wrote about triad characteristics associated with utilitas, femmitas and venustas, that are the utility, strength and beauty. Okay. So the answer of this question is B. Now next one is the match question. Match the statement in group 1 with the corresponding names of architects in group 2. Group 1, form follows function, less is more. Architecture should speak of its time and place, but ear for timelessness. There are no straight lines or sharp corners in nature. Group 2 is Mies van der Rohe, Louis H. Sullivan, Anthony Gaudí, Franco Gehry and Adolf Loos. And these are the options. Okay, you have to answer this question in the comment section. You can take the screenshot of the question. Here are PQRS and here are the 5 options given. Okay, you have to match and answer the question in the comment section. Alright. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Do write the answer of asked question in the comment section. And also if you have any doubt, please write in comment section below. See you in the next video that will be on history of architecture. Till then, keep learning and stay motivated. Bye.